Hey guys, today I'm gonna try some latest and new special flavors of Lay's in Taiwan and also some special tiny mini Doritos. Here, so I prepared a box of snacks here and we have like this Lay's special flavors, which is braised pork rice, and we have this one is a Tokyo chicken skewers flavor, and we have this is Hokkaido cheese flavor. It says Hokkaido salted cheese flavor, and we also have these, which is the newest, latest Lay's with dipping sauce, and this is one kind of plum, and we have the other one is Coca-Cola Lay's dipping sauce. I had never tried this before, and I just saw it at the supermarket and I was like, this is really new. And we also have this Lay's with barbecue meat. And so the difference between this kind of box Lay's with the packet ones is the box Lay's are made of potato, which are mashed and then printed out with the machines. And these are the whole potato, they just cut it out with the machine. And these are like, they get potatoes and then mash it into paste and then they print it out with the machine. So you will see, like, I'll show you guys later. Say, now I'm gonna try, this is the limited edition one, which is gonna be out for a period of time, and it's by Formosa Chang pork braised rice, and it's one of the best braised pork rice in Taiwan. So I'm gonna try this first because I'm really excited for this. Oh, it smells like the normal Lay's chips, and it's pretty full, half full, because they always say that Lay's chips are filled with air, but this is half full, so I think it's pretty good. It's pretty white. Let me try it. You can taste a little bit of the pork oil from the braised pork, the sauce, but I think it's pretty light. We have another one to try. It's pretty light, but it's pretty okay. You don't get sick of it from the oil, which you normally eat if you eat too much pork braised rice. Now this is okay. It's not as heavy. What do you think? Yeah, it's not as heavy, that's the word. Next I'm gonna try this. This says Tokyo sauce braised grilled chicken skewers. And look at it, looks good. And it just came out too, it's a new flavor. Never had this before. Oh, see the chips? It has waves. So the wavy chips are known to be more crispy with more layers. It's a bit sweet. It's like honey barbecue sauce. I like this one. Tastes like honey barbecue sauce, chicken flavor. I always like chicken flavor. Honey barbecue sauce. Really, this is really good. Let's go to the next one. Hokkaido salted cheese. Said to be very thick cheese flavor. It's also a new flavor that just came out. So this is the Hokkaido's salted cheese flavor. And it's just came out, it's a new flavor. And look, it's orange inside. It looks like Cheetos. It's orange and it doesn't have this layer. It's orange inside. It looks like Cheetos, but it's really orange. It's a single layer, it doesn't have weight. It tastes like a lighter version of Super Ring or Cheetos. If you know Super Ring is from Malaysia, it tastes a lighter flavor of Super Ring. Like Super Ring, and then it smells like Super Ring too. And I think it tastes a bit like artificial cheddar American cheese. If you like Cheetos, you might like this. But I think it's a lighter version of the cheese, but I don't like it. So I always thought orange cheese, the coloring is too thick. So next we have this, the dipping sauce ones. It says it has like a dipping sauce. Looks like the one from McDonald's. This dipping sauce for nuggets. And this is the Coke flavor. And so these are the ones that looks like, these are the mashed ones, where they mash it up, the potatoes, and then they put it in the machine and print it out. So for these, they are all in the same size because they are printed out with machines, so they all look like the same size. And it's, yeah, same size for every chips. Some people like this more because it tastes a bit mushy. And these ones are like, they're the whole potatoes. So let's try the sauce. Look at that, Coke sauce. Wonder how it tastes like. Coke sauce. The moment I put it in my mouth, I can taste the Coke. And then after that, it's a sweet. I think you really have to dip it all, like cover it with the sauce. Yeah. I get it all on the chips. I don't know if you guys tried Coke candy. It tastes like Coke candy, but melted version, and then you put the chips on top. It's okay. It's okay. It's good to try new stuff. And I will try this one, the plum one. See the plum sauce? Oh, the chips looks the same for both. I think these packages with the dip sauce have the same chips. They're just salted flavored chips with sauce. Oh look, there is like chunks bits of like the plum inside. Let me dip it up. Tastes sour and tastes like the plum. I think this one goes really good with salad. When you pour on top of the salad. Maybe it doesn't go as good as for chips, but it tastes good when you pour it on top of salad. Like a salad sauce. Next we'll try this. It's a new flavor and it's looks like it's another Japanese ones or maybe, I don't know, traditional ones. And it's barbecue meat. There's 2 packets inside. Ta-da! Tastes like pepper sauce, pepper barbecue sauce, black pepper barbecue sauce, without the honey, and a little bit sweet. Can taste a little bit pepper, a little bit salt, a little bit barbecue sauce. And let me try this one. Let's compare this one. Honestly, I really like this. It's like teriyaki sauce with honey. And I have to admit, but I prefer chips which are whole potatoes when they make it into like potato chips from the whole potato. And this is really crunchy because it's wavy. Next we have the mini Doritos. The mini Doritos just came out a few days ago and it was advertised on the TV, so I thought I want to try it out. And it says that it's smaller by 3 times, which you can eat it like the whole one piece and you can put it in your mouth and it's more convenient, that's safe. And here we have golden cheese, and this is nacho cheese, golden cheese and nacho cheese. Let me try. Oh, looky, it's so cute. It's so small. Mini Doritos. It's so cute. It looks like that triangle biscuit from Australia. Or is it? Oh, it's not triangle. It looks like pentagon biscuit from Australia. I cannot remember the name, but I'll put it up here. Look, it's so small. I think it's not as crunchy from the big ones because when you get more into your mouth, it's more crunchy. But it tastes really good. It's very convenient. See, it's like small. I think it's really good because sometimes when I eat the big Doritos, when I bite it, I get like some stuff to my gum and it hurts. And with this, it's like more convenient and small. I think there's quite a lot of Doritos in this package too, and it's like, I think this costs like 20 NT, and that's a lot. Look at it. It's filled. It's not air. It's not a bag of air. It's filled with corn chips Doritos. It's a good buy. And then next we try this golden cheese. I like golden cheese. I'm a golden cheese lover. Look, it's a lot inside. It's value buy. Ta-da. Golden cheese, and it's filled with like, it's so well seasoned. The cheese has a little bit sweet. So that's all for today. My chips, Lay's and Doritos. And if you guys came to Taiwan and you guys want to try any new Lay's and Doritos, because they come out like every few months, some new flavors and stuff, just head to the nearest 7-Eleven or your supermarket to get some. And if you guys like see this flavor, you guys have to try this. I really recommend this. It's like really special teriyaki, honey teriyaki sauce ones. And we also have this traditional pork braised rice, which is pretty good. You don't get heavy from this. So that's all. And then if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notification, and I'll see you guys next time with more exciting content. Bye bye.